Hey, this is Mike. I'm just issuing an awesome car alert here. Got a really nice Kia come in, and this is the Kia FORTE Coupe, and pretty nice. It's got like the matching rims, I guess you can say. They're like matching to the color of the car, and it's four-wheel disc brakes. Got some tint on the glass, sunroof. The color is like a I guess it's like a gray. Let's see what it says on the sticker, what color it is. Bronze, it's saying bronze. So yeah, it's 2012 Kia FORTE Coupe, and really awesome looking car, and comfortable. It's got plenty of room. It's fairly, looks like a small car, but when you get inside you realize it's got plenty of room. I'm gonna go around here to the back. So you can see it's got the pipes in the back. Now you see how FORTE is spelled, you see how Coupe is spelled. It's a little bit different, but pretty awesome vehicle. So I'm going to check on the inside. It's got the nice leather seats, which are heated. In the wintertime, you got nice heated seats. And you see that overall interior looks awesome. Here's the inside of the front door. Got basic controls there. Nice big speaker. Gonna go ahead and hop in. I noticed right off the bat, it's got this place to put your foot, which I like. Kind of when you're driving, it kind of helps to have like your foot, a place to put your foot that's, you know, like a flat surface. So it relieves the tension from your leg or something. There's something about it that's more comfortable. So here's the steering wheel. It's got like a red and black theme, I guess you can say, because the lights are red, and we got some in the leather seats. We've got some red stitching here and stuff, so it's a little bit of a red and black theme. It's got satellite radio, Bluetooth, Sirius, MP3 player, and of course a CD player right here on the stereo. You got your cruise control settings and stuff. You can pair your phone. That's what the Bluetooth is all about. It's where you can answer the phone while you're driving. And here's your volume control. You can turn the volume up and down here. You can change tracks, stuff like that. And check this out, it's got paddle shifters. You can bump it down or bump it up as you're driving. It's pretty awesome. Alright, there's your odometer. Nice, the gauge is pretty cool. It's got like a red halo around it. And you know, pretty basic, but you got your RPMs, you got your big gas gauge on the right there, and a nice you know, speedometer in the middle. So you do have traction control, which you can turn off if you like, and we can change, let's see here, not sure what this is, let's see what it does. Oh, cool. You see that speaker right there is starting to pulsate? Let's see what else. I guess at nighttime you would be able to change. Let's see, okay. You can set, I guess you could set it to the music. You can set it just to have a mood, or you can just have them on. I'm not sure if there's anything else in the vehicle that does that too, if it's just the speakers, but that's pretty cool. Go ahead and put that on like that. So anyway, that's pretty neat. Hadn't seen that in any other vehicle. So you've got your USB and auxiliary inputs there. You got two outlets, got a pocket there. There's your heated seat controls, and there's your shifter. There's cup holders, emergency brake, and There's a little armrest there. Lifts up. Got a shallow place, lifts up again, and you've got like a little place in there to put stuff. Glove compartment right there. Got an auto dim mirror. Place to put your shades right there, and it's padded. It's got like a different, like a softer padding than most cars. Instead of like a rubber, this has got like a really softer pad. Tap lights here, so you can have a quick light if you need it. And there's your. It looks like it might rain soon, so I'm not going to open up the. Well, I'll get to open it up. There's your sunroof control right there. Got this. It's a mirror, but you got like a little light up here. So you got mirror and light combo. And on these you got like a little extra, just in case the sun's peeking through this little spot and getting on your nerves, you got that to block it. But yeah, awesome car. Up here you've got your digital temperature and a clock, and you got some actual back seats. And the back seats, let's see if I can get that. Back seats got some cup holders and storage and a nice speaker back there. Nice leather seats. But yeah, it's got airbags all the way around. Pretty interesting vehicle. Let's check under the hood. See what we've got going under here. Yeah, dual overhead cam, 16 valve. Pretty cool. Got a 4-cylinder, nice and clean. It's got the battery's got a little bit of insulation around it, which helps out a lot with the battery life. Alright, my name is Mike. If you're interested in this vehicle, you want to take it for a test drive, give me a call or email me. My phone number and email address will be in the description. See you next time.